Alright guys, we're down here at the bayou. We're right by a golf course and just looking pretty good. I got both my rods and we're gonna go to the golf course pond and see if we can get any bass. It's really quite pretty out here, so let's get started. Good fish on. Just pulled up at the golf course ponds, took one cast. Nice fish on the golf course, we'll let him go right here. Alright, I'm gonna cast it out here. Look at that! That was awesome! Gosh. Alright, hook is already out. Let's go.
A bit smaller, but still.
Yeah, a bit smaller. Did you see that explosion?
Right before it came out the water.
Pretty heavy, 3-4 pounds maybe. Look at that fish. I'll just let him go right here, guys. Nice fish. Guys, there's a bass just right here. Going! 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 Oh my gosh, it's big, I think. It's pulling so much drag. This is a nice fish.
Is it a good one?
Yeah! I think.
Are you still on?
Oh, yeah. That's a pretty good bass.
Where is he?
I don't know. Oh yeah, that's not a bad fish at all. Alright, I'm using the fly now. Got another fish on, guys. Top of the lip. Got it. Bass. Right here. Find him right here. Let's go. Inhale that little streamer or clouser. Pretty big bass. Prawn fly. Nice fish. I'll just let him go right here. Oh, is that crappie? Crappie! That's a big one. Oh my god, that's the biggest crappie I've ever seen. I can't. Oh my god. I can't, his mouth isn't open.
Double up that one.
Alright, so we got this giant bass. Let me see that crappie.
PB.
Giant bass, giant crappie.
Crappie's like as big as a bass. Oh my god.
Yeah, alright. We'll let this one go. Bass. That's awesome, dude.
Nice fish.
He went for it. That was crazy.
They both went for it at the same time. Oh, mother.
Get out and do it.
Oh,
God.
there we go. Crappie. Ooh, it's another nice one. I think I might want to go land him because he might pop off.
Alright guys, big crappie on fly. This will be my first crappie ever and it's a black crappie. I'll get him right here. Oh my gosh, it's a giant. Oh my gosh. Look at that black crappie. That fly, I didn't even touch it and it just fell out. Got a crappie. I got a crappie, guys. It's so cool watching them hit. They just glide in, smack it. There's a school of them down here. Oh my gosh, guys. Craziest fishing day ever. And the thing about these crappies is they're all slabs. Inhale that flab a bit. He's bleeding a little bit.
Good.
He's right here. He's right here. So what's happening right here is I was about to catch a snake that was in the water. You can just see his head poking out barely. And then a golf club worker came up and told us that we had to leave. So we just left. But that day of fishing was one of the best I've ever had. And be sure to follow those kind of fishing days by going down below and subscribing. Leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you on the next video.